Radha has agreed to get married. But the way Mohan has been refusing for the marriage, I don't think he will allow the procession to enter the house.
When Radha has agreed for the wedding, she has given her consent. Who are we to object to it?
Mohan, what is exactly in your heart? Are you disturbed because Radha is getting married because of you, or there is something else in your heart?
Okay, Madam Gungun Trivedi, since you have asked for this, it will be done. I won't let Radha get married.
If Radha leaves this house, then our plan of getting Damini out of this house will also be ruined.
Mohan said that my face looks very similar to that old woman. That's very obvious because I was that old woman.
What if he makes me laugh? That can also be the case.
Yeah, it could be. But if he doesn't look good, what if he spits pan in a cheap way? Then what will he do? Or what if he happens to have a squint eye? Then what? And the biggest of them all? What if he's an atheist? Tell. What if he does not believe in Lord Krishna?
Hey, Lord Krishna! Hey!
Hey, Radha, listen to me. What if the guy turns out to be a criminal? A murderer? I mean, someone who steals chains of women in the market, then what? What will you do? Save your wedding chain after marriage?
Mohan,
Yeah.
my grandma will find out everything about the guy before getting us married. My dad and grandma are not orthodox. They will introduce me to the guy and let me talk to him before finalizing our marriage. And they will get me married to him only if I like the guy. Otherwise, they won't. By the way, where is grandma? Let me call her.
Whoa! Did you see that? What wonderful clothes. I mean, the clothes are so good. Lord Krishna will look dashing in them.
Yes,
The
Mohan.
best. Vrindavan's best.
I'll check them out.
Go. So, Granny, what did you think? You think your plan will succeed? I will not let your plan succeed.
Why is Radha not answering my call?
Oh, cheers, Super Granny. Your Radha will be back. Enjoy the cool air of the AC.
Gungun, don't try to trick me. I understand everything. I know this is all you're doing. Oh Lord, what do I do? What if the work I've come for remains incomplete?
Hey, enough, uncle. You are making so much noise.
How much for these clothes, mister? I want these clothes.
This is the last piece, only one.
Last piece. Look at its color. It's so pretty. It feels like it has been made for my Lord Krishna only.
Sing this, my goddess Radha. We'll dance with joy.
After wearing this, when on the banks of Yamuna, he plays the flute for Goddess Radha.
After wearing this, when on the bank of Yamuna he loves and sings,
Everyone will be left mesmerized.
This is what happens. Upon seeing pretty clothes, you feel they are made for your lord only?
Yes, and sometimes regardless of how expensive they are, they don't suit him.
Absolutely. It feels like that something is missing.
Exactly. My Lord Krishna is very choosy. Once I bought him expensive and beautiful clothes, but he tore them in just 2 days. Then when I realized it was not about the cost, it was about how he felt.
All that is fine, but I have only one set left, and amongst the both of you, who will buy it?
Then please go ahead. Your Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha will be so happy.
But I have only Lord Krishna.
And I have only Goddess Radha.
That means both of us can buy this.
Oh yes. Then your Lord Krishna will be so happy.
Your Goddess Radha as well.
Then should I give Lord Krishna's clothes to you and Goddess Radha's clothes to you?
Yes.
Here you go.
How much do I have to pay?
190 rupees.
You quoted a good price.
You please take
Just a minute. Let me give my share, okay?
it. Okay, I'm paying. No problem.
No, that won't be fair. Let me pay, please.
Let me do it. It is a gift from my Goddess Radha to your Lord Krishna.
But how can I?
Since she's insisting that she will pay for it, why are you forcing her?
It is not a problem.
Of course it is. This is between her and her Lord Krishna. Why are you coming in between?
Mohan.
So are you done?
Yes.
It's getting crowded, let's go.
Yes.
Hey, please listen. Please take your 5 rupees back.
Keep the change. I thought you were one of a kind. But he turned out to be just like you. Your double role.
He looked like a decent
How
man.
could you find him decent? He came across as clingy.
Mohan.
Yeah.
I think you got angry with him for nothing. As it is, he's not going to meet us ever again.
I really hope we don't. In my life, one person like you is enough. Hmm?
Okay, Mohan.
I wasn't praising you. Shall we go?
Let's go.
No matter what my daughter says, but I will have to somehow get rid of all these things by now. Because if that ghost sees me, before Mohan, she will hang me from the roof upside down. It's done. It was a narrow escape.
Grandma, why didn't you come in? There were so many beautiful outfits.
Yeah.
It is okay. Your work is done, right?
It is done, Grandma. We bought such lovely clothes. They are amazing,
They
right?
sure are.
Mohan, the clothes were just an excuse. It doesn't matter who finishes the work as long as it is done. The work is done.
What work is Granny talking about?
Shall we go?
Yeah, sure.
Let's go.
Glory to Lord Krishna.
Before Mohan returns, I will have to get rid of all this.
I think Mom is burning the stick and the wig. If someone sees her, our secret will be exposed. Mom, wait!
Here she is. Before she stops me, I have to burn all this.
What I was afraid of has happened.
Are all the women in this house my enemies? My wife ruined my life and you are burning down my house.
What? No, my dear son. May your enemies burn to death.
Oh God. If Mohan sees this wig, our efforts will go to waste. What do I do?
I don't want my enemies also to suffer such a fate because I know how important one's home is. But why are you having a bonfire in the garden?
Actually, there was a lot of hay around. So I just thought, let me set it to fire.
That was a good idea. Where's the gardener?
This is also a household chore. Whether he does it or I do it, how does it matter?
It doesn't make a difference, but you make other people do your chores for you.
What?
What does Mr. Trivedi say? What does he call you? You...
Lazy?
Yeah. Why does he call you lazy?
Actually,
There should be a reason, right?
yes.
What?
Actually, he loves me a lot.
Really?
So out of a joke.
You can call people
really.
anything out of love.
Yes.
Right. Douse the fire before it spreads. I will douse it.
My dear.
Yeah?
I am here. So don't worry. I will make sure that this fire doesn't spread.
No,
Go.
I will douse the fire.
Mohan, you are back. Come with me.
Where?
Inside, I have been waiting for you. Let's go.
Yeah, my daughter has been waiting for you since long. Go.
The pipe is over there and you be careful.
Yeah, I will be careful. Oh Lord, it was a narrow escape.
Mother, Mohan is back. Shall we go shopping now?
Shopping? What do you mean? Let Radha choose the boy first, then you can select the sari later. Damini, be patient. Why are you in a hurry to get Radha
Not
married?
for Radha, Mohan. For me. It seems you don't remember that we are also getting married.
Oh, right. I was with Radha, so...
Yes, you can only see Radha now these days. You just can't stop thinking about Radha.
That's the kind of person she is. I cannot see or hear anything when she's around. Damini, don't you know how she is?
Radha, go and bring Lord Krishna's idol. Adorn him and get him ready.
Okay,
Go.
I'll bring him right now.
Gungun, let's go.
Mohan,
Come.
I want to talk to you.
Yes, Granny.
Mohan, Gungun is a kid, but you are an adult. Why are you acting like a kid?
What are you saying, Aunt? I don't understand.
Let me explain, Kadambari. I will tell you what Mohan did today. Radha and I had to go to the market. Why did you stop the car here? We have to go ahead.
Grandma, I have some work to do. I will take a minute. We will be back in 5 minutes, okay? Radha, will you come with me for 2 minutes?
Why isn't the door opening?
Oh no, I think he turned on the child lock.
But Mohan, you will be sad to know that even though you tried your best to stop me, my work got done.
What work?
You will find out soon, Mohan. Wig of grey hair? Why is it among the grass? And why was Aunt Kaveri burning it in secret? I think this mother-daughter duo is up to something.
But what was Super Granny talking about? I am getting really worried.
Why are you getting worried? Should I tell you a secret? This is what elders do. They say things to scare others, but they don't do anything.
That's a misconception.
What do you mean?
I found a life partner for Radha.
Greetings.
Radha's future in-laws are here. Greetings.
Greetings, greetings.
Lata, where is your son? Come in. Please come in. This is Lata. And this is her only son, Hriday.
Greetings, greetings.
Lata likes Radha a lot and she wants to make her the daughter-in-law for family.
Since she's insisting that she will pay for it, why are you forcing her? Isn't he the same clingy guy?
What?
Clingy?
Yeah, clingy.
Actually, my name is Hriday, but you may call me Clingy. Call me with love, I will not mind at all.
You found a suitor for Radha? This is amazing. By the way, Granny, I must admit, you have found a nice boy for Radha. Radha, come here, let me take a look. You both look so good together, just like Lord Rama and Goddess Sita. Right, Mohan? Dulari,
Yes,
bring water for the guest and also arrange for snacks and sweets for them.
okay.
Why are you standing? Please sit.
Damini, do you want us to get Radha married to a random person? It seems like you are even keener to get Radha married than Super Granny. Sorry, Super Grandma's friend, but we are not interested in getting Radha married.
Mohan, take Gungun inside. Children are not needed when elders are discussing something important.
Hasn't the world changed a lot, Mom? These days, children understand the things that elders should. Right, Granny? Forgive me, Granny. She's a child, but she's not wrong. One should not make haste when it comes to marriage.
There is no haste, Mohan. I had taken Radha to the clothes shop so that Hriday and Radha could meet each other. Some people try to create obstacles. But by Lord Krishna's grace, everything went smoothly. And Radha and Hriday met each other. I knew it in my heart. Nobody could reject my granddaughter given how lovely she is. I was confident that Hriday would like Radha. But I thought they should meet each other. It's about their marriage after all. So one should not make haste. Right, Mohan?
Yeah. Hriday had to like her. Given how nice Radha is, nobody can reject her. Did you ask Radha?
Listen, Mohan. We will talk to both Hriday and Radha. And until they both don't agree to it, we won't get them married.
Mohan, priest is absolutely right. Radha is like my daughter. Her consent to this marriage is equally important.
But why should she get married?
Mohan, take Gungun to her room. Mohan. take Gungun away. As it is, you both get along well these days.
Leave me! Radha! Leave me, Mohan! I will not go anywhere. Let me go.
It is good that Mohan took Gungun away from here. Given how she was running her mouth, the groom's family would have refused.
My dear, I'm happy that Mohan himself has left. People are generally cursed by Saturn, but nowadays I'm cursed by Mohan.
Mohan left from here, but I am sure he's thinking about Radha's marriage. He will try to make sure that the two don't get married at all. But Mom, we have to ensure that their marriage gets finalized today.
Of course, you just want Radha to get married no matter how the suitor is. So that you get rid of the biggest obstacle in your way.
Lata, please don't take what Gungun said to heart. I apologize on her behalf. Actually, she is very attached to Radha. You know how kids are. They get angry when they find out that someone dear and close to them has to leave.
Radha, why are you standing there? Sit with Hriday. Let us see how you both look together.
Okay, sister.
Forgive me, I brought her with me. You see, I don't go out without my goddess Radha.
Radha also never goes anywhere without her Lord Krishna. Now it seems God himself is giving a sign. Look how lovely Lord Krishna and Goddess Radha look together.
If Radha and Hriday were supposed to get married, then what about all the signs that you gave me? Why did you give me hope that Radha and Mohan would end up together? Where did you come from, Hriday?
What happened? Why did you bring me here? Instead of dragging me, you should have thrown Hriday out.
I also felt like throwing him out of the house. In fact, I felt like throwing him out of the city. I felt like kicking him out of the country. The way he talks. Call me whatever you want, but only out of love. Doing the drama. Why do you have to imitate me?
Did you see his face?
Exactly like a rat. Did you see his clothes?
Clowns wear such clothes.
Yeah.
And what kind of name is that? Hriday.
Yeah, one can get a heart attack hearing such a name.
Wasn't that your son Mohan?
Yes.
Radha's picture was printed in the newspaper with him, right? It seems he has also grown fond of Radha. Both seem connected.
Not just Mohan, but every member is connected to Radha. She resides in our hearts. Why wouldn't she? She is so lovely. Wherever she goes and whomever she meets, she wins people over. Lata, ever since she has come here, she has become like a member of her family. What more do I tell you? In fact, Gungun has become very attached to Radha. She's that sweet. As a matter of fact, Mohan is also worried that once Radha is married, then our Gungun will be all alone.
But mom, daughters have to eventually leave their homes. And speaking of Gungun, Mohan and I are getting married soon. I won't let Gungun feel Radha's absence, mom. Don't you worry at all.
Who said I am worried? When your heart is pure, you have nothing to worry about.
Even then, despite of being a stranger, Radha has a strong bond with your family. Gungun and Mohan both seem very attached to her.
Lata, some relations are formed from the heart, not from social contacts. And our Radha resides in our hearts.
For Radha? Not at all. He's no match for Radha. Hriday, isn't it?
Radha is so beautiful.
She's very simple, noble, and sweet. She gives everyone love and loves everyone, and this Hriday will give everyone an attack. When I saw him at the market, I knew he was like a clown. I mean, he speaks less and preaches more, correct? God is rather this, God is rather that. Who talks like that? Such a fake.
If all this is fake, then what is real?
Yeah, you are right. What is real? I have a plan. But for that, I need your help.
I will do anything to kick that cartoon out.
Shake hands gently next time. You need not hit me. Just wait and watch. Hello, Shekhar, where are you? Do one thing, come quickly. I have some very important and urgent work. I'm getting a heart attack. Come fast. Now just watch Gungun. I am going to kick Hriday out of here.
One thing is commendable, Grandma. You have found a groom for Radha who is just like her.
People say that God already makes marriages in the heaven and sends them down. We just bring people together. Now you only see our Radha and Hriday. It looks like they both are made for each other.
Everyone has gone mad. If they would have their way, they would get Radha married to Hriday right away.
So you also think that Radha should not be married right now? After all, she is so young.
I really don't care at what age Radha gets married. Damini and Aunt Kaveri are surely planning something. I want to know what it is.
How can you be so confident about this? I can't see anything.
Because I have seen what no one else has.
Mohan, what are you doing?
Well, I was clicking Radha's picture. With Hriday, just to see how they look together.
I am dying to see Radha dressed in bridal attire.
It looks like Mohan has also agreed to Radha's marriage. See how he is clicking their pictures.
No, Mom. As far as I know, Mohan, he is definitely planning something. We just have to find out what it is.
I liked Radha very much. If I could, I would make her my daughter-in-law right away.
Then what are we waiting for? Let's discuss marriage plans.
Wait a minute. Dear Super Grandma, what's the hurry? Ask some questions first to Hriday. Let's confirm whether he is fit for our Radha or not.
I'm sure she has planned something with her dad.
Gungun, my dear, the elders are already talking. So, please go to your room and play.
It's not a problem. Children are like God. If God wants to ask a question, we should answer that.
If you don't mind, then Gungun, no mischief.
Get up.
Yes?
Get up, Hriday. Sit there. We will talk face to face. Now tell me, what is your job?
I am a priest in a temple
In which temple?
in Mathura.
There are many temples in Mathura. Which temple are you a priest at?
At the Radha Krishna temple in Chowk Bazaar.
Where do you stay?
There in Mathura.
Oh dear. Which place in Mathura?
House number 14, Prabhat Nagar.
Phone number?
Gungun, my dear, he's sitting right here and you're asking him so many questions. Then why do you need his phone number?
Seven 887 25143.
I know you work as a... Do you have any other job?
Of course, yes. I did a photography course last year. I love to click pictures of birds. What is it called? Wildlife photography.
Where are you going, Mohan?
Where is Mohan going now? He cares more about breaking up Radha's engagement than getting married to me.
Hey, Shikhar,
Let me see
where are you
Aunt,
going?
but
Come here.
first let me see
Hey,
Aunt.
meet me instead. Come here. Radha is getting married.
So,
So I'm worried, dear.
Mohan, why are you worried if Radha is getting married? Oh, I know. Radha and Mohan finally sang a duet.
Will you stop your nonsense? Sang a duet and blah blah blah. Listen now,
Yes.
see this photo. He's the prospective groom for Radha. I want all the details of him.
What did you say his name is?
Hriday.
Mohan, if he is who I think he is, then believe me, Mohan, Radha is falling into a big trap.
This time Radha will definitely get married.
Only if Mohan allows it. Mohan and his daughter cause enough trouble as it is, and now they have joined hands. It's even more cause to worry.
Damini? Guests are here. Where are you going? Please sit, dear.
Gungun. Gungun, I have to go somewhere.
Where are you going now?
I will tell you everything after I come back. But you have to do one thing for me. See to it that Radha doesn't agree to everything and eventually set a date. No matter what, the discussion should not progress. Go inside and find a way to distract. Go on.
All the best. I know you won't let Radha get married.
Okay, listen. Ask me if you have any more question.
Okay, tell me how your father died.
Why can't I convince myself? I feel as if this boy's not right for Radha.
Oh, this guy. Yuck. It is a sin to even pronounce his name. Mohan, where are you? You left me alone when I needed you the most.
He's not a priest. He's a runaway thief from Mathura.
That Hriday is a priest, but the offerings are given by Mohan.
The whole world may lie, but not Hriday. Lies may be kept hidden, but the truth will never be covered up.
I apologize in advance for what I am going to say to you. If you and Mohan have involved in any ways, please tell me without any hesitation.
We should think about these people who are trying to form a relationship based on a lie.
They didn't lie.